Why do Chapter 2 is very important? Well, here are the few reasons why Chapter 2 is very important. First, it helps you understand what's already known about your topic. Second, it based on gaps or ideas from past studies. Third, it helps you build your theoretical framework or justify your variables. And finally, it can give you ideas for your methodology, like how other researchers gathered data. Review of related literatures and studies. Foreign literature. Review of studies and research conducted outside the country, relevant to the research topic. Local literature. Review of studies and research conducted within the country, relevant to the research topic. Analysis and gaps. Analysis of the existing research, identifying gaps and areas for further study. Theoretical framework. Discussion of the theoretical frameworks and models relevant to the research topic. Methodological reviews. Analysis of the methodologies and research designs used in previous studies. Findings and implications. Summary of the key findings and implications of previous studies. Gap identification. Identification of gaps in current knowledge and areas for further research.